Metro Detroit likely to avoid worst blizzard as parts of state brace for blizzard show tidal hide. Tidal snowstorm develop over central U.S. heading into weekend. A new storm moving towards central U.S. will have potential to bring heavy snowfall. Strong winds, blowing snow and shut down travel due drifting snow and falling temperatures. As Michigan's biggest storm of season begins to sweep through, people all over the state are already feeling impact. Power outage conditions and strong winds bringing dangerous roads and multiple power outages in some parts of state are among biggest concerns. Even Metro Detroit, which will miss brunt of storm, cannot prevent damage. Currently, 984 DTE customers and 94 consumers energy customers are without power statewide. But that number is expected to increase overnight as wind gusts near 50 miles per hour hit the state. Additionally, storm led to the cancellation of thousands of flights across country. Of these, 44 arrivals and 40 departures from Detroit Metropolitan Airport were canceled. On the other side of the state, 37 flights arriving at and 34 flights departing from Gerald R. Ford International Airport in Grand Rapids were canceled. Here's a quick overview of what the weather will look like in different parts of the state. Southeast Michigan on warmer side of the system. Southeast Michigan is under a winter weather advisory only. According to DetroitPontiac National Weather Service, areas downriver are only expected to get about an inch snow. But as you move north or west, you can expect up to 10 inches of snow across the rest Southeast Michigan. Major power outages can be expected in Southeast Michigan through Saturday, with wind gusts as strong as 50 miles per hour, much to the dismay of Metro Detroiters. Immediately after storm reached this side of the state, high winds began causing damage, causing a tree to topple onto a car in Oak Park neighborhood. In light of severe weather conditions, SMART will modify bus routes to accommodate weather conditions while protecting its passengers and operators. Travelers can expect possible delays starting Friday afternoon and continuing through the weekend. Severe weather conditions by city. Michigan snowfall forecasts. How much snow could your area get? In Westland, Mayor Kevin Coleman is opening warming centers and charging stations in case of power outages. The city is also asking residents to call 911 or the non-emergency police line at 7,229,600 if they know someone out in the cold or see someone outside so police and emergency services can get them somewhere warm. Central and western Michigan. The rest. The glove, on the other hand, is under a winter storm warning, along with winds as strong as 50 miles per hour. Central Michigan will receive 611 inches of snow and western Michigan will receive 813 inches snow. Friday afternoon and midnight, heavy snowfall is expected to continue in Grand Rapids through at least Monday. In addition to first heavy snowfall of season, strong winds blowing snow